along the trends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my little channel. Hope so that how are you? Happy and well. So in today's video, crochet table runners ideas. Crochet table runners are a perfect way to make your table look elegant and handmade. They are simple, timeless, and will add a touch of warmth to any dining space. You can crochet table runners many designs from simple lace pattern to colorful Chinese skirt. Choose cotton for a soft natural look or shiny thread for a festive touch. A crochet table runners also give gifts, handmade items, show love and care, and purpose to them for years. Making a crochet table runner is not just about decoration, it's also relaxing. A crochet helps you feel clean, creating something beautiful for your home. Step 1. Choose your cotton. Work best for table runners. Step 2. Pick a crochet that's match your size. Step 3. Make a long suits chains and length of your table. Step 4. Use a simple stitches like double crochet or half double crochet for each. Step 5. Keep working the year runners. As you like.